Hello guys. So what we will try to do today is find the best trades in last 1 week. The best trading opportunity that we had in last 1 week. Only one trade. Maybe a couple of good trades, but the best of the best trade in last 1 week where the market was just shouting out and saying just and handing us over the money, just take it, please take the money from me. So that kind of a trade. So today is one day. Oh, it's Independence Day. Happy Independence Day, guys. So last week was starting from 8th till 12th. So yeah, let's see, 8th, 10th, 9th was a holiday, and 8th, 10th, 11th, and 12th, and 4 trading sessions in last 1 week. Let's see how panned out. So first of all, I like to see where the market is on a daily basis. So let's see what happened over here. भैया कहाँ चले गए? Here as well, please. Oh, come on, Nifty Bank. What is happening? Oh, some issue. I don't know. Let's see now. Let's go back to where we were. Actually, I'm not in very much favor of having this right now. Let's see what we are doing. Where we were in the last week. Here we were. So let's see it on the daily time frame. डेली टाइम फ्रेम पे तो भैया मजे ही मजे हैं. धड़ाधड़ भाग रहा है मार्केट ऊपर. तो काफी अनसस्टेनेबल रैली लग रही है. If you see, but अब ट्रेंड के साथ चल रहा है. वॉट एवर द ट्रेंड इज, हम तो रिटेलर हैं, हम थोड़ी ना बताने वाले हैं मार्केट कहाँ जाएगा कहाँ नहीं जाएगा. सो let's see. Here was 8th August. On 8th August, the market was still inside a range. Market was stuck inside a range. The range was from 37,600 till 38,200 was the high point around that point. 200, 20, 30 points both the sides. And the next, the market had a good resistance at 38,000. I mean, 38,000 was a good reference point, I would rather say. And 38,757 was the next target if the market went up. Okay. So this trade we'll be using it on the high with the knowledge of having how the chart developed. So it will be more easier to find the better trade. Actually, because in real time it's not that easy to define it was the best trade, because you don't know how the opportunity later on will unfold. So yeah, there are certain criteria where according to which I will be selecting the best trades. Some of them be like the and what I aim for a good trade in Bank Nifty while trading option buying is capturing a move of 100 points. So the easiest 100 points which we have, or if there is a competitor, for there can be a competition from a day on which it was too easy move of more than 2 to 300 points. I mean, maybe not that easy as compared to the good 100 points, but comparatively easier, so easy that here. Anyways, let's start. So let's go on. My trading time frame is 3 minutes. Okay, this is the 8th, and here we see the market is right now in a range. As the range, market is expected to move once it goes. It's a it's a good resistance over here. 38,150, around 150. From 150 to 200, it's a very good resistance over here. So let's see how things pan out. Market opens with a and his previous day low. So I have put few tools for it. I use these lines as previous day high, previous day lows. This is previous day high. Previous day high also happens to be a very important resistance. So yeah, now I can go on 1 minute time frame as well, like use it to find better entries. On full screen mode now. Okay, now so let's see. Hmm. Now we got the context where the market is right now. Now let's see how it opened. Yeah, the day before yesterday, or the previous trading session, this was also a very important support for the market, where the market took very important support and the first candle breaks down. The first candle you see over here is a shooting star candle, which is a very bearish candle. Generally, it forms on a way up to this thing, an uptrend, and that signals a reversal, forms a resistance. But this is also a pretty good this thing indication of what's going to follow. Follow up candle was there, another reversal candle, good hell, very good amount of retracement, enough to shake out and any of the shots which would have entered over here. The okay, so I think one entry could have been over here around 7,800, when the retest was happening, and after the retest, when the prices started going down, once it was below 780, 780, one entry could have been initiated over here in the morning session only till this place, because we know here's the closing price over here. So yeah, this was also an important, not important, but yeah, a minor support or resistance. Swing low. So I think that could have been one trade, but that's just a scratch. Let's not bother about it. Then the market started going up over here. Focus more on the 3 minute trading time frame because we trade more over there. So the market reversed. The candle saw good retracement, not a very healthy bearish candle. Then it was totally taken over by the fourth candle. Some retracement, anything above 37,800 could have been kept a good eye to watch on. So uh, for 37,800 here we see broke the second follow-up candle, waited for the retracement was pretty darn good. Not a very healthy retracement. It was too healthy, uh, creating enough doubts. But it was overcome over here. I think 37, 8, 10 or 10, around 10, 37, 8, 10 was a good place to enter. After that, once it took out 37, 8, 10, because I'm talking about 8, 10 because here you can see it is more than two-thirds of a candle of, and it's an elephant bar. I mean Marabuzu kind of candle, totally engulfing it. So if two-thirds of it is conquered, then I think according to me it's a very compelling thing that it will break through. So trade could have been initiated a very small stop loss of maybe say 60 points on Bank Nifty chart. So and after that, and we are also with the trend because on a higher time frame, if you know, not the 3 minute time frame, but this thing uh, on a higher time frame, around if you see on 30 minutes or even 30 minutes, we are in a sideways market. On a higher time frame, I mean to say, on a daily time frame, but that hardly matters in such a small time frame. What will matter is the trend change will happen in a trading time frame at 37,900, above 37,900. Once it starts going above 37,900, but definitely we could have taken a trade till the day high, no issues with that. But 37,900, that's also a good round number before 38,000. So yeah, if you see there's constant selling coming up, but the price, not even a single candle broke the previous candle's low. So it was very easy to be in this trade, and it's just after some retracement, once this candle broke the day high, I think we could have entered a long till 3800. But the main good trade came really after this retracement. If you see such a long rally, but the retracement was such so shallow because of such strong how strong the bulls were. I'll just mark it up for you. Only this much. Then again, such a huge rally and no re. So I think it was pretty good to trade over here once for this happened. This was also an important this thing, and retracement. One could have easily taken an ambush entry over here. Not ambush entry, an early entry over here. This place. 37,960. Stop loss around below the swing low. Then waited for the price to go up. Although very slowly, but yeah. It was a good trade after 10, but after 10 the price is very sluggish. It moved, if you see, it moved 200 points in 31 minutes. It's not much of a use if it's moving so slowly. The prices would have increased, the option prices would have increased, but कहते हैं ना मजा नहीं आया होगा. Main maza was over here. 275 points in half an hour. This is almost touching 300. 275 points are pretty huge. If not that, let's see the entry over here around 810. This would have been a best entry. 157 points. We are not even aiming for 100 points. We are not even aiming for 157. We're just aiming for 100 points. Let's see if we could have had 100 points over here. It was 87 points till the day high. It's too good. Very good. Very nice. And very fast movement. Very fast movement. In 4 minutes we have 90 point. This would have given us good this thing. Very nice returns. I mean, equal to what this would have given in maybe say 30 minutes or an hour. Good retracement happening. It's better understandable on a 15-minute time frame if you see. I'll delete it now. So on a 15-minute time frame, if you see what's going, the trend on a 15-minute time frame, the trend will change only once it's below 37 700. So this is how the things will happen. But if you see, this is very important resistance, previous day high over here again, and then broke. Bam. Anyways, now let's see what happened. Took resistance from here. It's a very important resistance. 37,150. Came there, form and handle a hammer, but there was no follow through. This was a fast move, very fast move on 15 minutes. Yeah, it's looking like nothing, but one one could have said that we could have shorted over here, but one should remember that it's not very good to trade against the trend. Even if you would have shorted, see how choppy the price action was. It's primarily because the bulls are very powerful. Even after this is there is no shorts incoming. This is only profit booking. If you see, this is only profit booking. There are no fresh shorts. People who have bought over here, they're booking their profits all the way. And people who have bought over here, they are exiting. That's why. So people who are getting trapped. And once it's below this level, 38,000, fresh shorts would be entering 38,050, because this kind of formed a very small support area. If you see on this chart, 1 minute chart, very small support area, and as soon as the price went below this and started, this is a very nice trap area. Very nice trap area if you see on 1 minute chart. And this would have propelled a small trade could have been taken over here. As soon as this hammer was formed on a 1 minute time frame, if you see, let's keep this trend line. Okay, so to go up, that's how it went up. Trap, very nice movement. धड़ाधड़ ऊपर चलता चला गया. I think that's all will be uh, that will be all for today because this was just a test and a trial run. Do more of it next time.